10 wheels is a fun way to use Math 24 cards to build wheels where the sum of the 4 numbers inside is equal to 10. The more 10 wheels you make, the more stickers you earn. Click and drag a card off the sidebar and onto the playing grid to begin. To rotate a piece, simply click on it until it lines up with the direction of the wheel you want to add to. Be mindful of the spaces around your cards as you continue to build more wheels. Notice that a new card fills in the space on the sidebar where you just pulled that piece from. To see all the cards in your deck, click the Preview Cards button on the left of the playing grid. If you feel comfortable having all the cards out on the playing grid at once, press the Move to Board button to do so. Know that you won't be able to take them off the grid once they are in. Sometimes you may get stuck trying to make a wheel that isn't coming out to 10 because you don't have the number you're looking for. If that happens, try either focusing on other cards to create a new wheel or start over with fresh cards by clicking Preview Cards, then Redeal. When you feel you've made as many wheels as you can, submit and check your work by clicking the Set Board button on the left. You will have to make at least 3 wheels to be able to set your board. We hope you have fun playing 10 wheels. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn per wheel, click the directions button below the game.